In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filter views in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that can greatly enhance your workflow. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up a Google Sheet that you want to work with. This can be an existing sheet or a new one that you create just for this purpose. Once you're in your sheet, look toward the top menu and click on Data. This action will give you additional options specifically related to data management and manipulation within your spreadsheet. You'll see different options appear in a drop-down menu. From here, select Create a Filter. This step allows you to apply a filter over your data, enabling you to sift through information more effectively. By creating a filter, you can pinpoint the precise data you need to work with without being overwhelmed by too much information. Now, let's narrow down our data further. Say, for example, we want to look at data pertaining to residential properties. Click on the little funnel icon that appears next to your list or column headers. From the available options, select Residential. This will focus your view specifically on residential data. Continuing with this example, let's narrow it down even further. Say you want to only see data about certain types of residential properties. Click on Condo to refine your filter even more. If you want to check another type, continue by clicking Apartment. This additional filtering allows you to view only the rows related to condos and apartments, giving you a very precise data set to work with. Once your filters are set and the view meets your needs, click on OK. This step effectively locks in your current view and ensures that you're interacting only with the data you're interested in. Now let's save this specific filter view so you can use it again easily in the future. Go back to the Data menu and click on Save as Filter View. This option ensures that all your efforts in setting up the filters are not lost. You'll be prompted to give your filter view a specific name. Type in a name that makes sense for the filtered data you're displaying, something intuitive that you will recognize later on. After naming your filter view, click on Save. This final step ensures that your filter view is stored within Google Sheets, allowing you to access it quickly next time you open your spreadsheet. And there you have it. Creating and using filter views in Google Sheets is a powerful way to streamline your data analysis process. Not only does it enable you to focus on the essential data points, but it also lets you save valuable time and effort by keeping everything organized and easily accessible for future use. Enjoy these benefits as you dive deeper into your data projects.